Mr. Bat, are you ready to do the magic box trick, the saw me in half trick? No, look, Cooper, no! Okay, since he's ready to do that, into the box we go. Okay. Whoop, wait a minute, a little excess here. We clip that off. Okay. Mr. Bat, you all right? All right. Okay. Up we go. Now, it's the famous saw me in half trick. This very, very sharp knife, yes? Okay. You ready, Mr. Bat? Okay, says he's ready to go, boys and girls. We cut away into the box for Mr. Bat. Wait a minute here. And there we go. You know what, boys and girls? My goodness. Mr. Bat, I'm sorry. We forgot the magic word, Nani. Isn't that terrible? Mr. Bat, are you okay? Oh, Mr. Bat. I'll tell you what, boys and girls. Let's make the Mr. Bat disappear, okay? We put the magic cloth over there, wave the magic knife, abracadabra, say the magic words, and Mr. Bat has